Frank from ZBook Enterprises here today to give an Amazon Vine review for another laptop charger. So they had sent me one for one of the other ZBooks that I have that's 150 watt. This is the one that I use almost all the time. This is a ZBook Studio G10. So I figured might as well get the proper charger for this one. As you can see, this was about 30 bucks. Yeah, $29.99 it's typically valued at. And this is the proper one for this, which is a 200 watt charger. So, let's see. Just make sure it charges it, and okay, so it's got the little, what I call the house plug, because it looks like a house. Ironically, I don't really know the term for it, and I'm a computer guy. So that's a big one. It looks like the original max 200 watt adapter, as you can see right there. So that's on par with what I need for this. And yes, it is big and heavy, but that all 200 watt chargers are. You're not going to find a lightweight one. Okay, let me go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so I do like cables that have this on there and this here, because I tend to wrap it around. So this here I might actually put on the other end if possible, if I can figure out how to do that, which might not be possible, so I don't know. But no, I just got to note that there is actually really handy for after you wrap it around, and you could go like this and stick it to itself like that. The blue barrel plug, so this is made for HP laptops. Just gonna plug it in. Let's see. So you see right there by the orange charging light coming on that it is indeed charging, and just to verify, battery plugged in, charging. So sweet. I mean, it seems like a pretty good charger. I mean, it's just like all the other 200 watts that I've had for it. Now this one here is like, this is the one that I had when I had quit work and left it behind. I just bought this one the other day, and I do prefer this braided cable over just the normal slippery black one, but that's just getting picky. I mean, for 30 bucks, you're getting a 200 watt charger. I mean, you can't really beat that. I mean, it works. It's the right wattage and everything. So overall, I'm going to have to say that I'm very satisfied with this product.